Hey guys, I'm back here at Saddle River Park. My bike's been making a weird noise coming out of near the rear tire, so I've got my GoPro set up with one of those curling around arm tripods. Hopefully I can figure out what's making the noise. So this is the tripod, that's my GoPro, and that's my bike. So I've got this click, 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 click noise coming from the rear wheel. Hopefully the GoPro will show me what it is. I'll switch sides, put it in different spots throughout the ride. So I just switched the position on the camera. It's a little bit tenuous. It's very close to the spokes. So hopefully it won't break the spokes or break the camera. I've got a little bit of clearance, so I think it should be fine. This really is a beautiful park. It's a nice day. The weather's in the 70s and it's August in New Jersey. When you stop and think about it, in the middle of northern New Jersey, not even the middle, close to New York City. I mean, this is where the germs, the Jersey migrant workers that work in New York City, they live out here in the suburbs. So this is a long park. And beautiful bike trail, woods, rivers, this close to New York City. It's just absolutely amazing. I mean, this park puts Central Park to shame. Third position on the other side of the wheel this time. Really hoping that it picks something up, some kind of rubbing or something, and I'm hoping that's all it is. All I gotta do is make an adjustment and it stops. I'm hoping there's not an issue with the frame. God, I hope it's not the frame. And I hope it's not the wheel, but if it's the wheel, I guess it's better than the frame. So I'm gonna continue riding with this new angle, then I'll switch it out in a little bit. Fourth angle. Pretty much got full coverage on the back wheel, so I'm hoping one of these angles will give me some insight over what's causing the clicking. So I got the GoPro in another angle. Seems like the clicking has stopped. Maybe from fussing with that tripod down there and pushing the bags around to get the tripod in place. I'm thinking maybe it was strapped from the bag, from the top bag, just getting in the way of the spokes. Switch my camera angles again. This time it's in the front of my bike pointing forwards. Last one was in the front of my bike pointing backwards. I don't know if I'll use them, but I think they might make for some cool shots. We'll see. Do something very stupid. Came across these kids on this mountain bike range that I didn't know was here, and I'm taking this street bike down one of the steep hills.
Follow me on Instagram @RileyStopBoat.
Whatever he said, something about Instagram. So here goes. See you guys later. Well, I'm back at the car. Did about 16 miles. Not sure if any of the camera angles caught what was going on with the tire. It's been going on for a while now, but I seem to have fixed it. I don't know what I did. I'm assuming messing around with the stuff back there, shifting weights and things, fixed the problem. Or maybe it was just a really hard bump, who knows. But it's not making the noise anymore, so this vlog is going to be mainly cool camera angles from my bike, thanks to the new tripod.